Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these Valentine hangers I got from Temu and fabric from Walmart. I started by tracing out 2 hearts on the fabric and cutting those out, and I'm just using this foam heart shape from Dollar Tree as my guide for tracing. Once those are cut out, I iron them both. I then go around and kind of just fray the edges of the fabric. Next, I'll be taking some tacky glue and I'm brushing that on the back side of the fabric. And I'm just doing that on one of the hearts, just going around the edge and not putting any on the bottom point of the fabric. Just kind of the bottom point and an inch or so on either side of that, leaving that without any glue on it. I then place down the other heart on top of that, so the nicer side of the printed fabric is on the outside on both of those sides. I just push down on the glue and use my heating tool to make sure that is completely dry. After I have that completely dried, I am taking some fiber fill that I got from Walmart and opening up that bottom point of the heart and stuffing that fiber fill inside. Just using smaller pieces and pushing it around. Next, I'm taking one of the little hangers and I remove the hanger from it, add some hot glue to the back, and then glue that down to the center of the heart on one side. I then make a small twine bow and I hot glue that to that hole that is on the hanger and then trim up the excess tails on those. And then take this 2-inch wooden wheel I got from Hobby Lobby and a 0.16 inch dowel from Dollar Tree. Place the dowel inside the wheel and cut off about 4 inches from the top with my miter shears. And then paint the entire thing with ink colored chalk paint by Waverly. Once that's dry, I place that dowel inside the heart, get it to where I want it, and then take the point of the heart on the bottom and hot glue the front part to the dowel, and then flip it over and hot glue the other side of the point onto the other side of the dowel. And then go into either side and add a tiny bit more fiber fill inside there. And then add some more tacky glue to both of those openings and close those up and use my heating tool to make sure that glue is nice and dry. And that's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.